Quinoa and red lentil stuffed sweet potatoes recipe. Yield: 4 stuffed sweet potatoes. Prep time: 10 minutes. Cook time: 45 minutes. Total time: 55 minutes. Ingredients: 4 medium sweet potatoes, 1 teaspoon 5 milliliters olive oil, 2 scallions minced optional, 1 medium yellow onion chopped, 2 cloves garlic crushed, 1/2 cup 100 grams dry red lentils rinsed, 1/2 cup 90 grams quinoa, 1/2 vegetable bouillon cube, 1 teaspoon 5 milliliters sambal chili paste * optional, 1/2 teaspoon ground cumin, 1/2 teaspoon ground coriander, 1 teaspoon 5 grams curry powder, 1/2 large head of broccoli cut in bite-sized florets, 1 medium red bell pepper chopped. Ingredients: dressing, 1/4 cup 60 milliliters tahini, 1 tablespoon 15 milliliters balsamic vinegar, 2 teaspoons 10 milliliters soy sauce. Directions: 1. Preheat oven to 400 F 200 CPS sweet potatoes with a fork in several locations and place on aluminum foil on a baking tray in the oven. Roast until tender, about 45 minutes, stopping once to flip. Note: cooking the following ingredients takes about 20 minutes, so if you want the potatoes to be done at the same time, wait about 20 minutes after putting the sweet potatoes in the oven to start the next steps. 2. Add scallions and onion to a large pot on high heat. Add 2 tablespoons 30 milliliters water as needed to deglaze the pan and avoid burning, stirring occasionally until translucent and slightly browned, about 5 minutes. Add the garlic and sauce for another 2 minutes, stirring and adding water as needed. 3. Add the lentils through curry powder to the pot plus 2 cups of water, bring to a boil, then reduce to a simmer with the lid partially covered. Simmer for 10 minutes. 4. Add the broccoli and bell pepper, stir to combine, and place lid fully on the pot and allow to cook for 5 minutes. 5. Mix all dressing ingredients in a small bowl plus 2 tablespoons 30 milliliters water. Stir into the quinoa, lentil mixture or serve on the side to drizzle on top. Enjoy. Notes: 1. Variations: add any other veggies you desire, and try adding some spices like cumin or paprika. If you don't have sambal, any hot sauce will do. 2. Speed it up: batch cooking the sweet potatoes ahead of time will speed up this recipe. 3. Storage: store in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 3 days. Did you try this recipe? Let me know how it went. Comment below and share a video your friends. For most informative videos, please subscribe and like our channel.